entertainment. It's a sordid, derelict wasteland now, where not even weeds will grow. But I did own the very spot many years ago. For here once stood a building, proud and clean and neat. Now there's no trees, or that special place with the rubble at my feet. But I can remember, long ago, once upon a time, what's to remember? Please yourself. The family Bible on the shelf. The job box where I washed my feet after Tanner above football in the street. Or Zangbath below the bed where you keep your bike racing read. Black lady at range, soup in a pot. Shelling on honest Andy, but you'll kill never have the boil. Nay dose of castor oil. The squeal no polish through the wall and the woman's face that's it at all. Grime on the grease, sentiment, nostalgia for a tenement. Babe Glee, parents, on the stairs, sit in the sun on kitchen chairs. The swan naked, well, brass is shining, your granny's fur coat, with satin lining. The paper blinds where a street light chink. So near thee, bottle you dare not drink. The car, the milk cans, the sweet smell of chips, but close kisses, the cold purse's lips. The cook on the breeze, Wally dogs, the house and the close, that was bared for bucks, the tablecloth for visitors only, the man and the single ends, bachelor only. It takes all kinds of represents, nostalgia for a tenement. The Salvation Army's Sabbath alarm. The car that came around with eggs with the farm. The girl up next close, married, young day, you drop your build down a sunk. Tea in a caddy, baskets in a tin. Box in a wardrobe to keep photographs and saving up for a skill trip. Join them Nash, bargains at the bars, up to every dodge. A medal for the First World War, the insurance money, in the drawer, the £2 jar of rabbit jam, the rattle, the Tolkers drum, foods of the weight, semen, nostalgia for a tenement. 1, 2, 3, Larry, Lassie, spin a peary. Dabby's not a candy rock, get all dressed up for Sunday walk. Patch and toast, the shelter spot, watch for the police, don't get caught. Base on the pavement, gadies, guards, skinny back, black cats on the whibbering birds. Stay up for a hint, big white jury, had your raids, the baccalaureate. Leave you, mushy, roll skates. Night on the carnival, some of your mates, down the war. At the fair, Melport, Rothesay, soul coats of air. Kirby grips, or a big dolt string. Your kitchen dresser had everything. The messages were always sent. Nostalgia for a tenement. Bunker in the lobby. Gas cooker in the press. The lavvy in the London. The bed and the recess. The Magimon. The round pipes. Washing around the back. The Ezers and Tallies. The common story suck. The flyway bookies, Franner, who hangs by the close. The fellow in your class. A school eye, a snorri moss. Ashes in the ashpan. What clothes on the flare. Never one out of sugar. Just chopping the nearest door. Friday night. At the picture, she and the skew. Standing at the corner, nothing else day. The cruelty man. The school board. All the men came outdoor. The rent man. The gasman, the man with the cop store, the ragman's cheeky buggle, bouncing off the cable wall, the mysterious lodger, came and went nostalgia for attainments. A hangs were butts. You were never too sad, at least you were never alone. No more to bother, you relied on each other. For a street took care of its own. The goodies, the baddies not, and in-betweens. Never will, peace and they never have beens. Gallows courageous playing their part, using the heat, sometimes the heart. In the concrete canyon, asphalt veil, white calf and beyond the pale, survivors, I come band, safe in the rain, never ever land. And according to a clock in the morning named, nostalgia for a tenement. Nu, it's in a rabble, maar we home. Nothing left but vacant space, devoid of grace, and all dignity, perfect. Plain field glitter, rubbish strewn and bare, only the ghosts of a building. Nu haunts the empty air. But close your eyes, and you will see misty skies of memory. The man made mountain, great behave, a warren Hames was once alive. Carousel, farms going up and down. Tapestry, images, veg in a tune. My urban tribe, my cycling, bar my chestnut, innocent spun. All that made it was there in the street, boxed in a building, secure and complete. And if it's new, it's returned to dust. So in the end, as all of us, we can still remember the young days spent nostalgia for a tenement. So next poem, troops, is okay. I'll be something. The Glasgow mold. So take a big chunk of Glasgow, Mattoon, by the Clyde, at a single end in a slum, with people inside, some clabber, and maidens with laughter and pain, then some splashing, and in paddles just after the rain, watching, listening, taking all in, enter repels, just hoping you'll win, at beavers, berries, taribos on a string, with Saturday night parties, where the force you to sing, and the big jumpies draped for a height. I feel safe, secure, the day and night. A skill for your reading, learning the sums, with the best teacher, the street, the folk in the slums. A grannies and grandas, with uncles and aunts, more and da, scraping for all your ones. Mow them all together, as you would with clay. There's what you will find is the man of the day. Next one is Glasgow. I was born and bred in Glasgow. Aye, Glasgow is my home. Being brought up in a tenement made me a typical Wayne. I didn't have much money, so my mommy went out to work. I had on a Sunday class. I didn't play in the dirt. So I didn't have very many toys like the Waynes. I have the day. My pals were happy girls. And boys we took lots of games to play. We played at cowboys and Indians. We played and hide and seek and all. I counted the hundreds, nice and fast. And weren't allowed to peek. Then we tied some string through the 10 guns. We put them on our feet and stole like something for outer space. Right up on a down our street, there was stubblers, ropes kei the can. We played rounders around the back. So and we stayed on the top of the mountain. Telling ghost stories that I got dark. But walked to the pictures at night on a Saturday afternoon, where one came out accusing have hankies in time, that tune. We boon up cheer at westerns, the three stooges made us laugh. We came the cartoons, Mickey Mouse, Bob Pena, to make about hours and a half. We toffee apples and candy cakes and chewed at liquors, sticks, sour plums, but poor George right in. Drive wafers, penny for 6. We read albino, dandy or Wally Browns. Even had our backward concerts, tap dancing to popular tunes. And this rhyme, tried the turn back clock. About 40 odd years ago, they paint a picture of what life was like for a wean in old Glasgow, when there wasn't were like junkie, but nobody that I knew from afterglow the day just can't help thinking what's happening to Glasgowians now. Okay. Where is my Glasgow? Ode to Glasgow. Of where is the Glasgow where I used to stay? Wait, Wally close, down up with Babeclay. For I knew everybody for swear to fert. And to keep your door shut was considered absurd. Where are the wines that once played in the street? We had Jory, Perry, Gert, Werkley. So kan is die Kajen Haji drip off a dike. Three hunch, caddy hunch, kicking a can, and like, where is the way shop where I used to buy quarter of toys, tappenny pie, a buck of broke baskets? Oh, you saw this one. I'd one I ask, how's your mug getting on? Where is the cladgy, the cosy whistle, the string for the cistern, I remembered well. Where is a Connie studied the rags? I went fra what firm was for Jacks. Where is the tramcar that was that on? Down Great Western Roads. On the Ockron, the conductor say knew how to deal with the off. If you're going, well, come on. If you're no, well, get off. So I think the days were taken with him. We've got fancy new houses, but they're just not the same. I saw Pierre Gazanders, the overs and jumps, for a tap in the rates, on the old Patrick drums. Going is the Glasgow that I used to know. Big Willie, Wishley, the Stimmy the Coo, the Sheepaway Albaco, the Glide Kit, Big Treat, your boat on the slates, and your gas on the peep. These days were no rosy, and money was tight. The wages all finished, but a Saturday night. But still we can't through it, and weather the rats. The one thing is simple, our parents had nuts. This is a poem about Glasgow. So, defines Glasgow. Our city, full of magic, European greats, with so much to be proud of. We're going to celebrate. Fair shopping, it's awesome. Our bars and nightclubs boom. For Waynesness fanfare. No time for doom and gloom. Our museums take your breath away. Our culture is no rumour. We are famed for architecture, reunions and humour. So we're very cosmopolitan, welcoming guests. It's where the big stars came to, Sinatra and the rest. So whenever you arrive here, you'll see a smiling face. You'll hear the Glasgow banter. I feel a warm embrace.